Hi, how you doing? Dave with Renko Kings here. Renko Kings provides you with simple, clear entries. Today,
MNQ, sell signal 4.
today is Tuesday, November 10th. It's about 1:25 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're looking at the NQ, and as you can see, we've had quite a nice sell-off here. And you know, what we're looking for is we're looking for the trend line to approach the pivot point here. And
MNQ trade alert.
what I'd like to see happen is I'd like to see a retracement come up where the retracement kisses the pivot and the general area of the trend line also. So if we could get a nice definitive retracement, then I would be interested in taking that setup.
MNQ trade alert.
Order submitted.
It's pretty close. I would like it to come up a little bit
MNQ
more.
trade alert.
Order
MNQ,
filled.
sell signal 2. MNQ trade alert. MNQ, sell signal 2.
Let's go ahead and mark this trade. See if we can get some follow through. Our first target is at 26 ticks, which is a 1-to-1. And we're trading two contracts. Our second target is a 3-to-1. Looks like we just missed that first contract.
MNQ trade alert. MNQ, sell signal 2.
Target filled.
Nice, nice. Okay, so we got our first target. Let's go ahead and mark this. A little concerning, right, that we weren't able to get through down here. Weren't able to break this low.
MNQ trade alert.
So if we get the down close, then I'll go ahead and I'll
MNQ, sell signal 2.
trail the bar close indicator. Plus 24. Hopefully we can break through that.
Stop filled.
Okay.
MNQ trade alert. MNQ, sell signal 3.
Okay, so the micro NQ is equal to 50 cents a tick. And we got 50 ticks on this trade. So $25. If we were trading the NQ, that would be $250. So nice little trade. Nice little trade.
MNQ trade alert.
They don't all have to be home runs, guys.
MNQ trade alert.
me just shut off my connection.
MNQ trade alert.
And let's review this setup, okay? So what why were we initially drawn to this, okay? Well, you know, first of all, you have to understand that we're below the pivot point, okay? So when we're below the pivot point, we know that we're looking for shorts, okay? So we know we're on the right side of the trend, okay? And we have this beautiful sell-off. You can see that we've got all this stair stepping in place, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way down here, 9. And then you have to say, okay, we have this pivot right here, support 1. Is it going to turn into a roadblock? Okay. Are we going to get through it and then turn around, get above it, bounce off of it, and turn around and go up? Or are we going to get through it, come up, bounce off of it, and continue lower? Okay, we don't know. We have to evaluate it. Okay, so look, we broke through it. It's a nice breakout. Okay, it wasn't just 10 or 20 ticks. Okay, I'm guessing this is like 50 ticks or something down here. We retraced. Yes, ideally I would have liked it to have come all the way right up to it, okay, and kissed it. But we're, if I hold my finger up to the screen, we're in, you've heard me mention this before, one finger width away is close enough to me. Trading is more of an art form than a science sometimes, okay? So we got a nice blue signal here. So, based on the fact that we were able to break through, have a nice, decent breakthrough, we had a clean retracement, and I got a blue signal, I went ahead and I took the entry, okay? We took some heat, okay? We came back up, followed through, we got our first target, okay? We retraced a little bit, we trailed our stop here, we came back down, and because we were not able to get through this low right here, and then we have this low right here, so now we have two support lines lining up. I made the decision not to be greedy and go ahead and trail the bar close indicator and take my second contract right here, okay? Look, you could have just left your trailing stop up here and say, hey, whatever happens happens, okay? That would have been, if this thing continued up and continued to go this direction, that would have been plus 26 and minus 2 or 3, okay? So I chose to go ahead and take some profit. This did eventually just turn around and continue down, and we would have gotten, looks like we would have gotten probably our plus 78 on our second contract, our 3-to-1, okay? So, the screen is nice and clean and neat. That's, what Renko Kings provides you. It puts all of the decision making in the background. Let the software do the decision making for you. We print these nice clean arrows for you, so you don't have to look at 1, 2, 3, 4 different indicators to decide whether or not you should get in or you shouldn't. If the arrow prints, then you should be getting in. It tells you the direction. It tells you if you should be getting in. If there's no arrow, there's no entry. Okay, I know some of you go ahead and still jump in even though there's not an arrow, but that's, you paid a lot of money for the software, so make sure you're taking advantage of using the software correctly. Okay, I see that when you guys send me your screenshots and your videos, sometimes you take entries and there's no arrow sometimes, so be cognizant of that. So if you have any questions, I'm always happy to help. Please send me a video or an email. Otherwise, we can jump on Skype and do a Skype call and review your charts and your settings and make sure that we have you on track and make sure you understand the setups and you're headed in the right direction, okay? So, hope this example helped for today. You guys enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll talk to you soon.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to leave us a comment down below.